Hey everyone, this is Jason from Dawn of the Devs with another daily code challenge for you. And let's take a look at what we have today. Looks like it says write a function which, given a string, prints out the number of words in the string. And on line 7 we have an example, we love to code, which should return 4. There's 4 words in that string, right? And then on line 11 we have a console log statement that's going to test out our function, and we're hoping that that console log will print out the number 4. So let's give this a try. Let's create a function called count string, takes a string. All right, and then we want to create a variable that's going to be the return value. So let result equals 0, return result. And then up here, we're going to have to do a loop over the string to determine if we're looking at a character or white space, and then add up how many words we have found so far. So the difference between a word is, I guess the thing that we can think about is between each word there's white space, and we have to determine, are we looking at a series of letters, or are we looking at white space? If we're looking at a series of letters, we should store that we have found a word and keep that value. So it's a little bit tricky, but let's set up a variable called isWord. It's going to start off being false, and then we got to set up a for loop for let I equals 0, because we want to start at the beginning of the string, right? While I is less than the length of the string, I plus plus. And then inside here we're going to say if string whatever is at that position currently, that is equal to white space, and isWord. We're going to say isWord equals false, because we're not looking at a word anymore. We're not looking at a word anymore. We're looking at white space. And then we're going to say down here else if string whatever's at that position I, if that is not equal to white space, and it's not currently word, or basically if isWord is false at the moment, we know we're looking at a word, so we're going to say isWord equals true and result plus equal 1. Set part on line 16 saying, hey, the thing we're looking at right now, it's not white space. Oh, isWord is currently false? Well, now let's flip it to true, because we're looking at a word, and at the same time that flip it, result is now going to be incremented by 1. But if the next thing we look at is also a letter, line 16 will fail, so we're not going to continually increment result. We just want to do it the one time when we find that word initially. So let's give this a run on line 25 again. We're hoping to see 4 printed out. Let's give it a try. Okay, cool. So we see 4. I'll do it again. I was really quick, sorry. We see 4 over here, right? Let's play around to be sure that we're really good, though. I'm going to add white space at the beginning. I'm going to add white space in the middle here, and white space at the end. Hopefully it still prints out 4, because we don't want to have any weirdness. We want to be sure we only have 4 words in this string. Okay, it's still 4, so we're good to go. Cool. Okay, so that was today's daily code challenge. Thanks for tuning in this time. If you enjoy watching these videos, we have more on YouTube, and so be sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.